Bootes void. Researchers of older times have shown there are no galaxies, no dark matter, no dark energy or anything. So what is there? You will get the answer of this question in the video. So let us start. In 1987, a few astronomers discovered 8 galaxies in the Bootes void. But then they said that these galaxies are not inside the void, they are at the edge of it. By 1997, astronomers found around 60 galaxies out there. These galaxies were made up of miscible matter, but they were very dull. That is why we were not able to discover it. But in the previous part, as I said, that dark energy is not there, so that area is not expanding. But what if I say that this area is contracting? Yes, it is true. But why? That is because of gravity. The gravitational force of these galaxies inside the void and the galaxies at the edge is the main reason. But why the galaxies inside the void are dull? That's because of dark matter. These galaxies contain much amount of dark matter, so their gravity is also strong, and because dark matter cannot be seen, they are very dull. And what about the space between these galaxies? That we really don't know. But in my opinion, nothing other than dark energy could be there. Then why I said in the previous video that dark energy is not present there? That is because if we examine that Bootes void is contracting, it tells us dark energy is not there. But it is contracting because of gravity, and in this case gravity is stronger than dark energy. But as I given the idea of antimatter in the previous video, one cannot say that antimatter could not be there. That could also happen. But one thing is for sure, that dark matter is not the empty area out there. If it was so, the Bootes void wouldn't have existed at all. Instead, it would have turned into a singularity, because the gravity would be so high there and everything out there would contract to form a singularity, just like the universe before the Big Bang. So we are not so sure about the empty space in the Bootes void. Many possibilities, but not so sure. So this is nothingness, something that one cannot explain. Science cannot find it out. But this doesn't mean that the hope is over. Maybe with the future technology these questions could be answered. But for now, it is just a question.